Ever found yourself staring at a blank page, unsure how to turn your thoughts into music? Or maybe you've recorded a song, but feel lost on what to do next? Introducing From Creation to Distribution, your step-by-step guide to writing, producing, and releasing your own music. Many aspiring artists face these same challenges every day. But what if there was a solution, a comprehensive guide that could help you unlock your musical potential and take your songs from ideas to reality? From Creation to Distribution is more than just a book. It's your guide to unlocking your inner voice and vision. This step-by-step workbook takes you on a journey from inspiration to creation, helping you harness your creativity and translate your thoughts into songs. With easy-to-follow instructions, this workbook will take you from writing your first lyric to producing a fully polished song. Explore the diverse landscape of music genres from pop to rock, hip-hop to electronic, and beyond. Despite the differences in styles, From Creation to Distribution unveils the common threads that unite all musicians in the songwriting and production process. Whether you're crafting a catchy country melody or laying down a dope drum beat, this guide provides the foundation you need to bring your musical vision to life. Let's dive into the heart of your musical journey, setting up your home studio. With From Creation to Distribution, we want you to get plugged in and ready to rock. Our guide offers a special focus on simplicity and affordability, providing you with the tools and knowledge to create a professional recording space right in your own home. Because when you're equipped with the right setup, there's no limit to the music you can produce. Once your studio is set up, the real magic begins, recording your songs. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned musician, From Creation to Distribution is your ultimate companion in the recording process. Our guide equips you with the knowledge and techniques to capture your musical ideas with clarity and precision, ensuring that every note and lyric is brought to life exactly as you envision. But why stop at just recording your songs? From Creation to Distribution also guides you through the process of crafting and shooting engaging music videos. With practical tips and creative ideas, this workbook empowers you to bring your songs to life visually and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Whether you're shooting with a cell phone or a professional camera, we'll walk you through the process of planning and structuring your music video, from storyboard creation to shot selection. You'll learn how to work with what you have, whether it's a low or no budget, and how to connect with people who can help bring your vision to life. You'll gain the confidence and competence to produce music videos that amplify your artistic vision. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into visual storytelling and unleash your creativity for the world to see. Finally, once your song and video are ready, it's time to share them with the world. From social media strategies to self-distribution platforms, From Creation to Distribution equips you with the tools and strategies to build your fan base and make waves in the industry. In addition to its comprehensive guides and instructions, From Creation to Distribution also offers special features to enhance your musical journey. With over 30 exercises, helpful checklists, pro tips from industry experts, and detailed equipment breakdowns, this workbook covers the things you need to know to succeed in the music industry. From Creation to Distribution is your guide to turning your musical aspirations into reality. It provides you with the tools, knowledge, and support to take your music from concept to completion. As you progress through the book, doors begin to open, opportunities present themselves, and your music takes center stage for the world to see. Purchase your copy of From Creation to Distribution, a guide to writing, producing, and releasing your own music today.